Let's see if it goes anywhere.
Oh, it's gonna set them up big.
No, I don't think we can go anywhere.
Oh, we're going somewhere.
52 used to be open.
Yeah, these seem like they're on their original controls.
Oh, they are. This is a slap on. This is just
a slap
this
on.
This is just an appearance upgrade.
Yeah.
I think the reason 49 is now locked, I think I am the culprit for that because I've been busted on that floor before.
You're on 40. I'm guessing it may just be parking?
Looks like it.
Oh, someone's here.
You guys going up?
I don't know.
I think so, yeah, going
I think so.
You think so? Is that a yes or a no?
Says,
The arrow's pointing up.
You
so
go down.
Okay. Alright then.
I've been questioning this building like numerous times, so I'd rather just...
Yeah.
These are nice cabs.
Mm-hmm. There is a Starbucks here, so if we do get questioned, I have a good excuse. I'm just gonna say we're looking for the restroom, we're coming from Starbucks. Probably, I don't know if that'll work, but we'll see.
Better than nothing.
Let's see if it parks again, and if not, we'll just
I don't
get
think it
out.
was parking. I think it was going into a call.
There we go.
Weird leveling. I wonder where the lower cars.
You can. The coal buttons are all still original.
Yeah.
34. Yeah, I definitely wish the fixtures were original.
I
but-
do like these square Prestige though. I'm glad they went with these instead of like Prestige or something. Or instead of like regular Prestige or Universal. I'm glad Fujitec did this in general because their stuff's always quality.
Too bad they didn't use their own fixtures.
I don't
Yeah.
think they make their own fixtures.
Well, we actually
anymore.
saw some Fujitec destination dispatches today with the Avion fixtures.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know where those
I was
are?
gonna tell you about those. At the, what is it, like the Park Tower or something?
Metropolitan Park.
Oh, that's right.
These are still pretty fun, but I do wish the buttons were original.
Yeah.
I'm glad I got a couple videos of these when I did, for sure. But this isn't a bad mod, though.
No. Could have been a lot worse.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah.
they're basically original, just with new cabs and fixtures.
I like these cabs a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot what these were like. I think Sam also filmed these when these were original.
He did. Right, want to get off here?
Sure.
That'll be it.